Hey there, Licknriffers! How are you doing? Don't worry, I haven't joined the cast of a cheesy mafia movie. This is the hard gig bag that arrives when you get yourself one of these babies, the Enya Nova Ukulele. Now, not only is it absolutely beautiful, okay, it's carbon fiber, it's beautiful, it sounds awesome, but it's also electric. It also plugs into an amp. Okay, you have the controls over here, and I have the plug over here. First, I want you to hear this unplugged. Okay, just beautiful, really fun. Yeah, really fun, beautiful, and sturdy ukulele with a sturdy bag. But let's turn the volume on, and you also have effects here. So first of all, the ukulele, as you can see, beautiful sound. You can add reverb if you want. Add a lot of reverb if that's your taste. You can take the reverb off if that's your taste. And there are also effects. You have chorus. You can have also a little bit of delay as well. Well, not a little bit, it's delay. I think it speaks for itself, right? And as cool as this is, I find that the added effects are a really nice touch by Enya, because, you know, ukuleles are usually all the same, except for the design, and they just told themselves, okay, so let's give this uke the best design ever. Okay, look how beautiful the sound hole is. There's also a hole here. Okay, I guess for maintenance if needed, and you can carry it like this as well. You can carry it with your little finger, just walk around with the ukulele, and they just said, okay, but let's do them one better. Let's add effects. Let's have this plug into an amp and add effects. Let's add reverb, let's add chorus, let's add delay. And this is what you get. You get a fantastic little uke with everything you need, basically. You see, just a little bit of delay. You can control it. You can just take it off if you don't like it. You can add a little bit of chorus. Chorus and reverb if you want to go really crazy. You can add a ton of reverb and a ton of chorus. Or you can just unplug it and just play it as a normal ukulele. So thank you, Enya, for another wonderful, wonderful instrument. I love your innovation with carbon fiber instruments, and I love their design. They're always player conscious. They're always for the player, and they want the player to have the best instrument possible for the best price possible and have as much fun with as much comfort and convenience as possible while achieving a tremendous sound. So thank you, Enya. Get yourself one of these. I love this uke, and you'll love it too. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.